Nike Book 2 Phoenix arrives in a blazing new colorway set to energize the court and street when it officially releases on January 2, 2026, with a retail price of $145. Inspired by Devin Booker's fiery game and desert hometown roots, this pair blends premium materials and a bold palette that channels the heat of Phoenix basketball culture. The upper features a sleek, breathable construction accented by vibrant orange and deep purple tones that echo the city's iconic sunset skyline. Subtle book branding, streamlined paneling, and elevated textures give it a clean, modern edge built for both performance and lifestyle wear. Underfoot, the Book 2 keeps its signature smooth ride with responsive cushioning, reliable traction, and a supportive fit crafted for fast, fluid movement. Whether you're a Booker fan, a sneaker collector, or someone who loves standout colorways, the Phoenix edition delivers undeniable style and game-ready comfort.